Hey, Hillbilly, what do you got?
I got these new Raycon everyday earbuds. They're great. I'm listening to music right now. Try one. We can share. Didn't you hear the music? Don't feel like dancing? the 5.2 Bluetooth makes it easy to pair it to an iOS or an Android device. These earbuds have active noise canceling, so when I'm up working in the garage, hammering or grinding or whatever, it protects my ears from the noise, yet I can still hear my music.
Yeah, but how expensive are they?
They're very affordable and they are budget friendly. And there will be a link in the description of this video below where you can even get a discount on them.
Huh. Well, tell me, you're a sweater, so what are they like? Because they're in your ears.
They are dust proof and they are sweat resistant, water resistant. You don't want to take a bath or shower with them, I don't think, but they will resist water. So if you get a little shower, a rain shower, I think you're good. And if you sweat a little bit, you were good.
Okay. Well, tell me about, most of these things, the music dies in an hour or something.
Oh, no, these have incredible battery life. With the charging case, up to 32 hours of listening pleasure.
So what happens if I'm listening and I don't have, a charger handy? What can I do if I want to continue listening?
Well, the case has a built-in battery. So you pop them in the case for 10 minutes and you get an additional hour and a half of listening.
Oh, okay. All right.
And, look how small and light and comfortable they look in your ear, And
I like the collar.
Yeah, and you can tell that the quality is fantastic. So yeah, if you're in the market for new earbuds, definitely check out the Raycon Everyday Earbuds. Like I said, there will be a description in link. What? Let's use my words. There will be a link in the description of this video below, and you can get a discount. Everybody loves discounts, right?
I do.
Everybody does. So
especially with that link in the description.
Yeah, everybody loves that stuff.
Yeah. All right.
So, thank y'all for watching. Thanks for Raycon. And we will catch you next time.
Yeah. Bye. Listen to your music on your earbuds.